Hi there, in this screencast I'm going to show you how to prevent or guard your or make a calculator that will not crash if the user gives erroneous input. So right now if I run my calculator and I hit the or one of the operator keys without having a number in the display, the program's going to crash because um, basically what it's going to go and follow the event handler for your um, that key, but it's going to, the first line is num1 equals convert.to double label display dot text. Well, in order for this line, this assignment statement to work, what is in the display has to be a numeric value, which if there's nothing in there, obviously it's not a numeric value, and the compiler doesn't know, or the program doesn't know what to do. So since you didn't tell it what to do, and it basically throws an exception and the program crashes. So we want to prevent that from happening. So we're going to add a simple if statement that is going to keep that from happening, and then we're also going to give the user like a little message to say, to let them know that what they did is not going to work. So, and I guess I should say the only exception to this would be the minus button, because when you, if there's nothing there and the user clicks the minus button, then you want one to appear. It's not really the same thing as subtraction, so this would apply to everything except the minus button. Okay, so let's just start with the plus button. So I'm going to turn this into a conditional statement instead, and I'm going to say, okay, if label display dot text, okay, and then is not equal to blank quotation marks, then I go ahead and do my thing where I store the number and I store the operation and I blank out the display. And then otherwise, I'm going to flash a message box that tells the user to enter a number before they hit one of these buttons. So I can do that by doing messagebox.show, enter a value before pressing an operator button. Okay, and then I need to do the same thing for all of the other buttons as well. So let's see, I need to copy those two lines. Oops, edit, copy. So okay, and then let me do that for each of them. All right, I think I'm almost done. I just need to add that to each of them as well. Oops, what happened? Oh, there we go. Okay, so now let's see. Ooh, I add an extra blank line of code that I don't want. So to keep my program looking nice, I'm going to get rid of that blank space. Oops. All right, I'll worry about that later. I don't want to waste any more time. So let's see if this worked. So if I hit the plus button, now it says enter a value before pressing an operator button. If I hit the plus minus, same thing. Okay. If I hit it normally, then if I hit one of those buttons after hitting a digit, then everything's fine.